Are you looking for a way to turn your creative skills into a profitable business? In this video, we'll share with you some of the printable creative products that you can produce from Canva and sell to your customers. With Canva, you can design different printable products with ease, using their user-friendly drag-and-drop interface and customizable templates. Here are some of them. Posters, flyers, brochures, business cards, loyalty cards, invitations, warning labels, restaurant menu, condiment labels, product stickers, t-shirt prints, learning activity sheets, and many more. With Canva, you have the flexibility to create a range of different products to suit your customers' needs and preferences. So why wait? Start designing and selling your own printable products with Canva today and turn your creative passion into a profitable business.
Thanks for watching, you amazing humans. If you liked this video and want to see more, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. And for those of you who have already subscribed, you guys are rock stars. Again, thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you in our next video.